babes, so let's get into this style. Alrighty, so I am starting with stretched hair. I'm spraying the Dews Shine Spray all over my hair to add some luster and protect it for the next step, which is blow drying. You want your hair to be as straight as you're comfortable with. So I'm stretching my hair further using my Glitter Gang blow dryer from DryBar. This is my fave hair tool. It's so cute. It works really fast and it's such a gem. This step will help with braiding and sleeking down your hair into a ponytail. It'll also help the style look more natural if you're wearing a less kinky texture of extensions like I am today. Alrighty, so as you can see, my hair is all prepped and it'll be easy to brush it up into a ponytail. So let's get into the braiding. This style is so fun and cute, and I actually got this inspiration from one of Yara Shahidi's looks in an episode of Grown-ness. She had these random braids all over her head. Her hair was brushed up into a sleek ponytail and the braids just added a nice spice to the hairstyle, and I was like, I have to recreate this style ASAP. And it's a really cool variation of the very popular ponytail that's been going around. If you're not sure how to braid, I linked a tutorial below. You can always replace the braids with 2-strand twist or flat twist, twisties if you whatever works for you. But braids are always my go-to. I'm not a pro, but I'm pretty good. I've been braiding my own hair since I was about 9 years old. Yeah, my mom started me and my sisters pretty young. At that age, I was gluing in extensions. I think I permed my own hair when I was 11. And me and my sisters would do braids with weaving hair as well. Yeah, my mom really let us express our creativity through our hair, and I'm really grateful for it, although I have had some crazy experiences. Like one time I dyed my hair orange with my friend, and I couldn't maintain the color and I fried my entire head and had to start growing my hair from scratch. It was a good learning lesson though. So as you can see, the most difficult part here, I would say, is just making sure I'm getting the parts for the braids at a good angle, especially these side ones, and that's why I'm doing them first, because that will set up my middle braid as well as my braids on the side. But you just want to have a triangular part, and what I've been placing on my hair is an edge control by Pink. It's really nice. I wouldn't say I highly recommend it, but you can definitely check it out to see if it works for you. And I just use that to make sure my braids are nice and sleek. And as you could see with the previous part that I did, actually applying the edge control and then parting the hair helps me to get a really straight and sleek part. So now it's time to do our middle braid. You'll see that the parting isn't nearly as difficult. You just section off the very top part of your head, and then you make 2 more parts that are on both sides of the middle of your head, and you'll have a section that you can braid to the back. Again, if you are not a braider and you would love to learn how to braid, I do have a tutorial linked down below that will teach you how to braid. Now this is not my tutorial. This is just a tutorial that I found while searching YouTube. Support other YouTubers, hey! We're almost done with the braids. We only have 2 more to go. So I just finger parted 2 sections behind both of my ears and did a basic braid down. If you would like your parts to be super sleek, you would just make sure you have a mirror behind you and you're sitting in front of a mirror so you can clearly see the back and the sides of your head. And then you would just do the same process that you did while parting the sections for our other braids. Alright, so now it's time to sleek our hair up into a ponytail. I have to admit, it was a bit more challenging than usual to sleek my hair back with these random braided sections. It was definitely a challenge. I used gel, a little bit of gel, because again, we don't want our hair to revert, so I used the Got2b glue gel so it would help my hair stay in uniform. Now, I would definitely recommend you get your hair as sleek, straight as possible before you decide to brush it up into a ponytail, just because it will make the process so much easier. But since I had a basic blown out look, you know, I had to deal with all the poofiness and other things. So once I have my hair up into a ponytail, I am going to braid the hair down. And also, I did not show this part, but I did put a rubber band at the end so it would be nice and secure. Final step for this ponytail before we add in the extensions, we're just going to pin back the braids and wrap them around the base of the ponytail so they're nice and hidden. This is really where I saw the hairstyle come to life, and I was so excited. I think next time I do this style, I'm actually going to do a braided top knot instead of adding extensions in the back. I think it's going to be so cute. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see a tutorial of that, because I will definitely create one for you. So guys, the hair that I will be adding in today is from Miss Queen Hair Company, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that this is my baby. I launched my very own hairline, Miss Queen Hair Company, on Instagram and Facebook about 2 weeks ago. So this is our Regal wave texture, which is my fave. It's a deep wave that's very soft, very lustrous, and it straightens and curls with heat styling beautifully, and these natural waves are always popping. Tap the card above or the link in bio to browse our royal collection that we launched with. And just for watching today, use code YouTube at checkout to receive $15 off your order. So for this ponytail, we're going to do what I call an extendo ponytail. So instead of wrapping and pinning the extensions at the base of our ponytail, we're going to start at the end and wrap and pin our way up to the base. So as you could see, I first wrapped the bundle twice around the very end of the ponytail, then I used a bobby pin to pin that down upward, and then I wrapped the rest of the weft upward. I use about 2 to 3 pins per bundle, but you want to make sure that you're not using a ton of bobby pins because your ponytail won't be smooth. And if you would like a longer ponytail, all you have to do is add some braiding hair to make that braid longer, so you can have somewhere lower to start wrapping the hair, if that makes sense. So as you could see, I took a piece from the back. Did you see how easily this hair brushed out? And by the way, this is washed and conditioned hair. This isn't hair fresh out of the package. This is what you get after, I think this was I washed this hair twice, but yeah, it's gorgeous. So I detangled that and I just wrapped it around the base of the hair so it can be nice and smooth. And now I'm just going in and smoothing out my edges and making sure the back and the front are very sleek to match with the hair. I think next time I install this hair, I'm definitely going to dye it jet black so it can match my natural hair better. And now I'm just adding in some of my Pantene hairspray and wrapping my scarf around my head so that foundation that I just put down will be nice and sleek when I go out. And I'm adding some of this TRESEME, I believe it's called 3-in-1 waving cream, and it's so good. I'll have it linked down in the bio, but this is my favorite product to use on wavy hair because as you could see, it just makes it look very lustrous and makes the curls pop, guys. Make it pop. By the way, I was going on a date today, so I was definitely feeling myself, and ooh, I just loved this hairstyle so much. So y'all know me, I'm a bit extra. I like to be as glam as possible, so I decided to make this a bit more Afrocentric and add in some gold accessories in my head. So this style can really pop, and Yara Shahidi's hairstylist for Grownish always accessorizes her hair beautifully, so it was only right to do it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Again, please don't forget to follow Miss Queen Hair Company on Instagram. I'll have that link down below. I'll have more tutorials coming with these extensions to show you different styles that you can wear with them. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs this video up, leave a comment down below, but most importantly, guys, please, please, please share this video on your social media if you enjoyed it, so I can get more eyes on my content and so I can spend more time creating creative looks for you guys. As always, peace and love, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.